In the month of June, we celebrate the cultural heritage and civil rights moments of the LGBT community, the end of slavery in the United States, and fathers around the world. June is LGBT and Queer Folks Pride Month, a time to celebrate the history, culture, and contributions of this vital community. It is also a time to advocate for this community's rights and visibility. Juneteenth, a holiday celebrating the end of slavery in the United States. It commemorates the day in 1865 when Union soldiers arrived in Texas and informed enslaved African Americans that the Civil War had ended and they were free. Father's Day, a day to honor and celebrate fathers and fatherhood. It is a time to reflect on the love, guidance, and support of fathers around the world. As we celebrate these moments, let us remember the power of unity, compassion, and respect for all people and their unique stories. Join us next month as we explore the cultural heritage and civil rights moments of July 2023.